Hi everyone, welcome in Python programming. So today we are doing the transformer. So what is a transformer? And nowadays you've seen many large language model. So what is a large language model? So how the Chat GPT, the Gemini. So this is based on the large language model. So how they will be work, what technology they are using, how the background things will be work. So the all large language model work on the transformers. So basically, large language model is represent a class of deep learning architecture that call the transformer networks. So basically, this work on the neural network. In the neural network we have the layers. So we have sequential that they will be learned by tracking the relation with the data, with the words and the sentences. So basically, a transformer is made of multiple transformer blocks known as a layers. From example, from self attention layers, we have feed forward layers, normalization layers, all working together, and they predicting the output for the inference. So let's go for the one of the example. So I'm using the Chat GPT here for creating the LLM model. So basically, I'm importing the transformers. So you have to import the transformers. In the transformers, I'm importing the GPT model. So I'm importing GPT-2 and LM. So this is GPT-2 LM head model, and I'm importing the tokenizer also. So this is the basic library for GPT-2. So we are using GPT-2 for our information grabbing from the LLM model. Okay, and then I'm declaring my model name. So I'm taking my model name as a GPT-2. Okay, and then I'm declaring my tokenizer. So tokenizer is GPT tokenizer, so that we call from the library, and that is from pre-trained model, because GPT-2 is pre-trained. And same for the model, I rated this GPT-2 LM head model. Then from pre-trained model I'm importing GPT-2. So this is done. Now simply I need to go for the uh, encode the input. So let's suppose I'm taking the input. So input underscore text. So I'm like write about India, good things of India. So that is my input text. Okay, so I declared the one variable here. Then I'm simply writing input IDs, and this is tokenizer.encode. So I'm encoding the input text, that is my input text, and my return the tensors as a PT. So this will be this will be encode my input text. Okay, in the my with the tokenizer. So they will be tokenized, and then I'm generating the text. For generating the text, we are writing the output equal to model.generate input IDs and maximum length. So let's suppose I put it maximum length is 100. You can create more if you want, and this is my output. Okay, so output is take a little bit time, because they observing the everything, and they calling the all the libraries. Then we need to decode a generated text. So how we will decode the generated text? So generated text equal to tokenizer dot decode, and then output. So we need the special output, like in one single row. So is skip special tokens true. Okay, so we are speaking the skipping the special tokens. Then simply we need to print. Okay, so print generated text. This is all how we use the LLM model, and how we can use the transformers. What is the transformers? Thank you guys.